Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, purpose of this project is to develop a smart greenhouse system that can automatically monitor the surrounding environment and adjust itself to provide better growing condition for rose plants. So, the rose plants are quite sensitive to environmental change. So, if the temperature becomes too high or perhaps too low and the humidity becomes excessive, the plants may experience stress and poor flower quality would come. So, therefore, maintaining a sustainable environment is very important. Next, I will explain the problem statement. So, many small-scale plant growers and home gardeners tend to check the temperature and humidity manually. So, this approach actually has several disadvantages. So first, the user might not be available 24/7 to actually check the greenhouse. And second, the delayed action can actually expose the plants to excessive heats and humidity, which may reduce the flower quality and increase the risk of plant diseases. Therefore, there is a need for an automated greenhouse system that can monitor environmental condition continuously and react immediately without requiring constant human supervision. Next is the objectives. So the first objective is to automate and develop a smart greenhouse that can automatically monitor the temperature as well as the humidity using the DHT11 sensor. So the second objective is to automate the roof by using a motor, allowing it to open and close based on the environmental conditions. And the third objective, which is the final objective, is to reduce manual monitoring while maintaining sustainable and suitable conditions that can support healthy rose plant growth. Now, I will demonstrate how our smart rose plant greenhouse system works. So, as you can see from the LED screen, there are 4 different options, which is the first one is the mode. So the mode is right now is currently in override. And the next option is the suhu, which is the temperature that the DHT11 sensor continuously measures inside the greenhouse. So these readings are sent to Arduino, which compares them with the threshold values programmed within the system. So under the normal conditions, the servo motor keeps the roof closed. If the temperature exceeds the threshold, the Arduino automatically sends a signal to the servo motor, causing the roof to open. So the LED will then change from the roof to tutup to open, buka. This allows better airflow into the greenhouse, helping to reduce the temperature and improve ventilation. So when the temperature drops below the threshold again, the Arduino instructs the servo motor to close the roof automatically. So this demonstrates how the greenhouse can regulate its environment without requiring manual intervention. And lastly, our dashboard was made on the Blink console. So the user can see the soil moisture percentage as well as the temperature inside the greenhouse, and if the roof should or should not be open, as well as the override mode.